Alright, Thursday, January the 10th at 9:33 p.m. This is Mojave. I clicked on continue, but nothing's happening. And suddenly, the moment I start recording, I get this message. The recovery server could not be contacted. Okay, so I go, okay, and this did not happen previously, but the moment I start recording, it showed up. Alright, and let me confirm that I have Wi-Fi right there. See that? And for a change, the phone focused. See, I have Wi-Fi. Okay, 5G. But it will not reinstall Mojave. So I click on continue. And oh, look at that. It actually changed only when I record. Only when I record. Agree. Alright, and I'm going to pause. Alright, the phone actually focused. It's 114 degrees now, and it will go up. 122. $125. $129. $131. Screen went black. A red flash. There are many of those. Oh, and have the beach ball at the corner. All right. $136 on the phone. Alrighty. 138 degrees on the phone. Creating account. Okay. Actually, no, I want to go back one. Customize. Enable location, no. Continue. Don't use. Continue. And then I get that. Yep. 140 degrees on the phone. Siri, no. Continue. Light. Continue. Here we go. And no disk image. Okay, no disk image, but what happens is I get that. No, I get this here. Wi-Fi is on. I turn it off. Okay, so what's important here is, and I'm going to pause 141 degrees on the phone. I'm going to pause.